When accessing the participant portal, you will have two options. The first option is to sign in if you have previously created an account with your email and password. The second option is to click register, enter your email, first name, last name, and your password to create a new account if you haven't previously registered. Once you're able to log in, you will then be brought to a welcome page where you will be prompted to start a new application. At the bottom, you will see rental assistance and foreclosure prevention. Click the link to the right that says click here to start a new application. A few things to note is the ID number located on the left-hand side of your screen. This ID number is a unique number that is assigned to your case. Please refer to this number if you call in for assistance. On the left-hand side, you will notice that the application is composed of 9 sections. Click the button, click here and continue to get started. The first page of the application goes over the program information. Make sure to read each section carefully. It's important to prepare the required documents listed in the section before you go on to the next page. The eligibility section has questions that will help you determine if you are potentially eligible for the program. The table will help you determine if you are within the income guidelines of the program. For example, if you have 4 household members and the total income is less than the amount directly under the number of the household members, then you can select yes. Section A of the application will prompt you to enter your contact information. It's important you enter an email that you will regularly have access to, as this will be the primary method of contact. Once you complete this page, scroll to the bottom and click Complete and Continue. If you need to add more information or correct any information you've previously entered, you can click on the tabs to the left to go to the previous page. In order to make changes, scroll to the bottom and click Reopen. This will allow you to make changes to a page you've previously completed. To save the changes, scroll down and click Complete and Continue. In Section B of the application, select all the options that apply. Section C of the application will require you to enter information for all household members, including yourself. Click the blue link that says click here to add a new member to enter the first household member. Enter the first name, middle name if any, and last name of each household member. You will also need to enter the date of birth, social security number, and other demographic information. Once you've added all the household members, scroll to the bottom and click Complete and Continue. If you need to remove a household member, you can click on the red icon to remove them from the application. Section D of the application helps you determine the household income. This page will automatically populate the names of each household member you entered in Section C. Click Add an income source to add the income information for anyone that receives any form of income. From the drop-down menu, select the income source. Enter the name of the employer and enter the annual income. You are welcome to use the calculator tool to help calculate your annual income. Section E of the application is required if you are past due on your mortgage or rent. If you are not past due, skip to the bottom and click the Complete and Continue button. You will fill out the first section if you are requesting mortgage assistance. You will fill out the second section if you are requesting rental assistance. And the last section you will complete if you are requesting electricity assistance. Please keep in mind the total requested assistance cannot exceed $2,400 in total. Once you complete this section, click Complete and Continue to move on to the next page. Section F of the application is where you will be required to upload documents. At the top of the page, you will find a list of forms that are required if they apply. For example, if you are self-employed, click on the link to download the self-employment form. Make sure to fill out the form completely, print the form to sign it, scan it, and upload it to your application. Please note you will not be able to move to the next section of the application until you have uploaded the required documentation. Your application will not be considered until all the required documents have been uploaded. Click Upload File. Select the file you need to upload and click Open. Once you have uploaded the documents, the button will appear for you to be able to continue to the next page. The last section of the application will require you to acknowledge each statement and sign electronically. Type in your name to obtain an electronic signature. Click Complete and Continue. Once you submit the application, you can click Print Application to download a PDF format of the completed application. You can click Home to go back to your dashboard, and here you will see a list of the applications you have submitted. You can always refer to the status column to view the status of your application. Once you've completed the application, our team will reach out should we require any additional information. Please remember, our main form of contact will be via email, so please be sure to check your email regularly.